Would you keep trying if you failed 1,000 times? Imagine hearing no over and over again. Would you still push forward? This is the incredible story of Colonel Harland Sanders, the man who turned rejection into one of the world's most famous fast food empires. Let's dive into his journey. Harland Sanders was born in 1890 in a small town in Indiana, USA. Life didn't come easy. By the age of 5, he lost his father, leaving his mother to care for him and his siblings. At just 10 years old, Sanders had to work on farms and in factories to help support his family. While other kids were at school, he was out there earning a living. As he grew older, Sanders tried every job under the sun: fireman, insurance salesman, railroad worker, but nothing seemed to stick. His life was a series of failures, rejections, and setbacks. By his 40s, Sanders opened a small roadside restaurant in Kentucky. It wasn't fancy, but he served travelers hearty meals. His fried chicken, made with a secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices, became a local favorite. Things seemed to be turning around, but fate had other plans. In his 60s, a new highway bypass was built, and his restaurant lost all its customers. He was forced to shut it down. At an age when most people retire, Sanders was left with nothing but a small pension and a dream. But Sanders wasn't ready to give up. With his secret chicken recipe in hand, he hit the road at age 65. Driving from town to town, he offered his recipe to restaurant owners in exchange for a small commission on every piece of chicken sold. It sounds simple, but it wasn't. He faced rejection after rejection. Restaurant owners slammed doors in his face. They laughed at him, called him too old, and told him his idea was ridiculous. 1,009 times he was told no, that's right, 1,009 rejections. But on his 1,010th try, a small restaurant finally said yes. That single yes was all it took to ignite a revolution. Soon, more and more restaurants signed up to sell Colonel Sanders chicken. By the time he was 75, Sanders had built one of the most successful fast food chains in the world, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Today, KFC has over 24,000 outlets in 145 countries. And it all started with one man's refusal to give up on his dream. Colonel Sanders teaches us a powerful lesson: it's never too late to chase your dreams. Rejection doesn't mean failure, it means you're one step closer to success. At 65, when most people retire, Sanders built a global empire. His story reminds us that persistence, passion, and belief in yourself can overcome any obstacle. So, what's stopping you from chasing your dream? Remember, success doesn't have an age limit. If this story inspired you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs motivation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing stories. Remember, your success story is just one step away.